So I'm lining up my ingredients for some honey wheat bread, my second favorite type of whole wheat bread. You see I've got everything here: salt, egg, water, honey already measured out. This is the flour blend. I'll be posting the ingredients online, but everything's here ready to go. And we're going to get a little demonstration from an expert. In my last video, I spoke about a social phenomenon now taking place that has been dubbed as stress baking, which has caused the demand for small appliance bread making machines to explode. I first noticed it when I returned to an online source to purchase another unit like the one we had ordered for $70 just a few years ago, and I was met with this. I could not be the only person in North America not aware of this trend, so I began searching the online classifieds for a used bargain, where I came across a Black & Decker B2300 in an online yard sale close by. They were asking $30. Before purchasing it, I had to satisfy myself that the exorbitant pricing trend had affected this model as well. It had, with the best price being about twice what they normally sell for, and on top of that I'd have to drive an hour to the one store that still had inventory to pick it up. So I offered the guy online $20, which was accepted. The unit was filthy and had a few minor scratches in the pan, but if it worked, it was $20 well spent. And so it was worth taking apart, giving it a good cleaning. Went over the nooks and crannies with a toothbrush and food safe cleaner, and got all the little parts that had collected gunge over the years, including I took the glass out and cleaned it. Treated the bread pan with some cooking oil, and got right inside and got every little bit of grime and grease and whatever out of here. The only thing I couldn't save were the decals on the lid. They're still mostly legible, but they're actually duplicated in the manual, so it won't be a big deal. I should mention that I was able to find the manual online as a free download in PDF format, and it came in handy, because aside from the presets being worn on the lid, the control panel was a little worn as well. After reassembling the clean parts, the next thing I did was bake a 2-pound loaf of Boston brown bread. I was immediately pleased with the more horizontal shape of the bread. Upon slicing it, I could see that it was a perfectly baked loaf with no air pockets. Good, the machine works. Using the ingredients I opened this video with, let's try it again and make a different type of 2-pound loaf recipe. This time we'll make some whole wheat honey bread. This control panel is actually fairly easy to figure out. So all my settings have been selected. It's going to take 3.5 hours. My setting is 5 for whole wheat. I picked the darkness of the crust, which is medium for me, and it's a 2-pound loaf. So here we go. And there it is, 3.5 hours later, a perfect 2-pound whole wheat loaf. My yard sale bread maker works perfectly. For my next video, we're going to make pizza dough in this machine. I hope to see you then.
When the stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through. When the stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, and I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through.